Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a reverse single crochet or crab stitch border. To make a reverse single crochet, the only difference is instead of working to the left, we'll be making single crochets working to the right. So the first thing we'll do is insert in the next stitch to the right, and we'll pick up our yarn, pull it through, then yarn over and complete the stitch. Again, insert to the right, pick up a loop, yarn over, and pull it through. So that's a reverse single crochet. So you can see mine lay pretty flat. If you pick up your yarn the other way, they will simply stand up a little bit more and have more of a ridge. So let me do a few like that. I think it's really just up to personal preference, whichever you like. So for these, instead of picking up the yarn this way, I'm picking up the yarn this way and then completing the stitch. So you can see these have a little bit more dimension to them. They're more defined, and these have a smoother appearance. So that's really personal preference, and you can choose however you want to pick up your yarn. I hope you found this helpful.